Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and let me show you how to update system. So if you wish to get software updates, just open the settings, then find and select system and updates, and here at the top of the list you will notice software update. Just mark and wait till it's scanned. As you can see, your device would scan itself automatically. Here you will get the information, so my software is up to date. However, if yours is not, you will be able to update it straight from this panel. Here, instead of check for updates, you will see update. Just mark it and the latest version will be downloaded and installed, obviously. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.